We're going to plant a Clematis Montana grandiflora, and this is what you'll get when you get one from Ashridge. So another 3 litre pot, 3 canes, all nicely tied in. Montana's flower in the spring. This one will produce a massive white flowers. Hopefully within a couple of years it'll get to the top of the fence and just scramble all the way down the fence, and in the spring it'll be covered in white flowers. So pot grown Clematis you can plant any time of the year. I mean, at the moment we're planting in November, as long as the ground's not frosted and you can't get a spade in. So first we'll dig a hole. So just choose where you want to plant your Clematis. We're going to plant it right slap bang in the middle of this fence panel, and just don't dig your hole right up against the fence panel. Come about 6 to 10 inches away from the fence. Right, so once you've dug your hole, just try it out, just leave it in the pot and just see if it sits in there comfortably. A couple of inches all the way around the hole to let the roots get into there, and just deep enough for the soil to reach the soil level in the pot. Leave the canes in because we can use them to train the climber up against the fence. I'll just take it out of the pot and just angle it in the hole so the canes are sitting like that. So I put a bit of soil in. And then hold the canes and just firm down. If you plant it so you can just about see the top of the pot, once you've watered it in, it'll get to its own level. So once you finish planting it, don't forget to give it a good drink. I mean, this time of the year, the soil's moist enough. There's still enough warmth in the soil for it to start establishing before winter. And in the spring, just start training these up along the fence. If you want to take the canes out, wait until it's established and it starts to show new growth, and then take the cane cap off, which is the green rubber thing at the top, and then slide the canes out from the ground. Easy enough to do. Or you can just leave the canes in. It'll give it a bit of support to reach the fence until you start training it.